Welcome to a journey that will expose the hidden truths of the food industry, a realm veiled by layers of mystery and secrecy. Have you ever wondered what lurks behind the glossy packaging and enticing advertisements that adorn your favorite snacks and meals? Join us as we delve into the depths of an industry that feeds the world, yet keeps its dark secrets well guarded. In this eye-opening exploration, we will unravel the complexities of the food supply chain, investigating the hidden practices, ethical dilemmas, and health implications that are seldom brought to light. From mass production to the manipulative tactics of marketing, we will expose the uncharted territories of the food industry. Prepare to confront shocking revelations that will forever change the way you view the contents of your plate. Section 1. The illusion of freshness. The journey from farm to fork. We begin our odyssey with a closer look at the food supply chain, exploring how seemingly fresh produce makes its way from farms to supermarket shelves. We'll uncover the use of preservatives, additives, and packaging techniques that preserve the illusion of freshness, but may come at a cost to both your health and the environment. Section 2. The art of food marketing. From subliminal messages to clever labeling, in this section, we dissect the art of food marketing, from clever packaging designs to misleading claims and exaggerated health benefits. We'll examine the psychology behind persuasive advertising and how it influences our buying decisions, sometimes leading us to choose unhealthy options unknowingly. Section 3. The price of convenience. Fast food and processed foods have become staples of modern life, offering convenience but concealing darker truths. We'll explore the detrimental impact of these food choices on our health, including the rise of chronic diseases and the hidden health costs associated with mass consumption. Section 4. The GMO dilemma. Genetically modified organisms. In genetically modified organisms, GMOs have become a controversial topic in the food industry. We will delve into the use of GMOs, their potential consequences on human health and the environment, and the debates surrounding labeling transparency. Section 5. Factory farming, unmasking animal welfare and environmental concerns. Factory farming has revolutionized food production, but at what cost? We'll unveil the disturbing conditions animals endure in industrialized farming operations and the environmental impact of mass animal agriculture. Section 6. The sugar trap. The bitter truth about hidden sweeteners. Excess sugar consumption has been linked to various health problems. In this section, we'll investigate the prevalence of hidden sugars in processed foods and beverages and their impact on public health. Section 7. The battle of big corporations. Industry influence on public policy. The food industry's powerful lobbying efforts and influence on public policy will be brought to light in this section. We'll discuss the implications of these actions on food regulations and consumer protection. Section 8. Food waste. The shocking reality of squandered resources. Despite the prevalence of food insecurity in some parts of the world, food waste remains a pressing issue. We'll explore the scale of food waste in the industry and its environmental and humanitarian consequences. Section 9. The rise of food fraud. The subterfuge of counterfeit food. Food fraud is a lesser-known but pervasive issue involving the mislabeling and adulteration of food products. We'll investigate the extent of food fraud and its impact on consumer trust. Section 10. The quest for transparency and sustainability. Promoting positive change, we conclude our journey by examining the efforts being made to promote transparency and sustainability in the food industry. From the rise of ethical consumerism to the advocacy for local and organic produce, we'll explore the potential for positive change in the food landscape. As our voyage through the dark secrets of the food industry comes to a close, we are left with a sobering realization that the food on our plates is more than just nourishment. It is a reflection of complex and often troubling realities. From the deceptive allure of processed foods to the environmental toll of industrialized farming, the food industry shadows conceal a multitude of challenges. Yet, awareness is the first step towards positive change. By shedding light on these hidden truths, we can make more informed choices as consumers and advocate for a food system that prioritizes health, sustainability, and ethical practices. As we continue to question and seek transparency, we empower ourselves to shape a food industry that nourishes both people and the planet. Let this voyage be an awakening to the significance of our daily food choices and an invitation to join the movement for a more responsible and conscientious food culture. Together, we can uncover the secrets, challenge the norms, and foster a brighter future for the food we eat and the world we inhabit.